Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.1, Question number 10. Prove by vector method that sin alpha plus beta equals sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Here, OB is vector B and OA is vector A. Let here vector A, kept vector A is vector OA and K vector B is vector OB. Be the unit vectors and which makes angle alpha and beta respectively with positive x-axis. Now here AL is perpendicular to x-axis as well. BM also perpendicular to x-axis. Then we can say OL, modulus of OL vector equal OA vector OA modulus into cos alpha, which is further equal vector OL is equal modulus of vector OL into I, which is equal cos alpha I. Similarly, vector LA modulus equal OB modulus of vector OB J. OB sin alpha which is equal, which further gives LA vector LA is vector OB unit vector OB J. Here direction changes, sin alpha minus J vector, so which is equal minus sin alpha J vector, because direction changes to measure here. That means beta this direction, alpha this direction. Now LA we got it. Therefore, because LA is the opposite direction of y-axis, now we'll continue like here. Kept vector A equal vector OL plus vector LA. Here OL plus LA equal to OA, that is vector A, that is equal cos alpha I minus sin alpha J. Let it be 1. Now similarly we can say kept vector B is vector OB equal OM, vector OM plus MB. Here vector OB equal vector OM plus MB. OM plus MB, which is further MB equals cos beta I plus sin beta J. Let it be 2. Now A cross B. A cross B equal modulus of vector A, modulus of K vector A modulus of k vector b sine of alpha plus beta I into I cross j equal to k. K means unit vector parallel to z axis. So which is equal sine alpha plus beta k vector k. That will be 3. Because here modulus of unit vector a and b is equal to 1. Therefore, here only it comes sine alpha plus beta k. Also, we know that a cross b the k vector cross b is determinant of I, j, k. Here a vector have that is cos b cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha, that is minus. Here no k vector here. Then cos beta for here cos beta plus sin beta here and 0. Now expanding this I vector into sin alpha minus sin alpha 0 and here also 0 minus j vector is also 0, then plus k vector equal cos alpha sin beta, here cos alpha sin beta minus cos sin alpha cos beta, that is minus minus plus, it becomes cos alpha sin beta. So which is equal only this. Therefore cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta first we'll write in this cos alpha sin beta first sin alpha cos beta first we have therefore sin alpha cos beta here cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta plus sin alpha cos beta plus sin alpha cos beta. So we can write in order, we can write this one sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta into unit vector k. Here let it be 4. Using 3 and 4, 3 and 4, here 3 says a cross b is this sin alpha alpha beta plus into k vector. This here from using student 4 you can see we can write the result sin of alpha plus beta, both side k is there, that cut gives sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Hence we proved you have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.